In spoken English, sometimes we use have you, is it, can you, this kind of words at the end of the sentence. So these mini questions are called question tags. Question tags. So we use question tags in our conversation when we stress and when we give the importance uh, to our talk, our words, our sentence. For example, we say, "It is a beautiful day, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it?" So, isn't it is a question tag. Isn't it? It is a beautiful day, isn't it? It is. So, the person who you are talking to might say, "Yes, it is perfect. It is very nice. Yes, it is very nice day." In the same way, you can say that these shoes are very nice. Are not they? Aren't they? You will say, "Yes, yes, they are." And you can say, I think he can speak English well. Can't he? Can't he?" So this is a question tag. Can't he? You will say, "Yes, I think so." In the same way, we can make many sentences by putting "have you," "isn't it," "is it," many things. But there are two things. If you speak the positive sentence, then the question tag should be negative. And if you speak the negative sentence and you put the question tag at the end of the sentence, then use the, if you speak the positive sentence, tag question should be negative. If you speak negative sentence, tag question should be positive. For example, I gave you the examples, 2-3 examples. "It is a very nice day." So my sentence is positive. So when I put the question tag at the end, I will use negative. For example, I will say, "Is not it?" In short, "isn't it?" "Isn't it?" So it's negative. But if I use the negative sentence and then I put the question tag at the end of my sentence, so the question will be negative. The question will be positive, sorry. For example, if I say, "That is not your car," "that is not your car." So my sentence is negative. "That is not your car." And then I will put the question tag, that will be positive. "Is it?" "That is not your car." "Is it?" or "is that?" "That is not your car." "Is that?" "That is not your car." "Is it?" These shoes are nice. These shoes are nice. So this is positive sentence. When I put the question tag, I will say, "Are not they?" "Are not they?" "Aren't they?" So this is negative. If I say, he cannot speak English." "He cannot speak English." This is negative sentence. So when I put the question tag, that will be positive. I will say, "Can he?" "He cannot speak English." "Can he?" "He cannot speak English." "Can he?" Right? I can ask many questions from you as well. For example, um, "You will come tomorrow, won't you?" "Won't you?" "Will not you?" "You will come tomorrow," positive sentence, and question tag, "will you?" "You will come tomorrow," positive sentence, question tag is "won't you?" "Will not you?" It is in negative sense. So use these question tags in your speaking and um, improve your speaking more. Talk to people by using question tags. If you want to know more about question tags, you can take classes and you can learn about question tags, and you can practice with me separately, individually. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.